Hi everyone, I'm Rodrigo Andrade, and in this short video, I will give you more tips to help you to get out more of watsonx BI. Imagine that you are a data analyst. You create your metrics, set up all your relationships, your joins, you build your calculations, and you publish these metrics to your metrics catalog to be used by your business users across the company. Sometime later, you realize that new business needs comes up and you need to modify your metric that is already published. How to do that? It's really simple. Let's take a look in the video. This is my watsonx BI and I will ask a simple business question here. How many deals are classified as high risk? Now let's narrow down my scope. It's not mandatory, but I want to make sure that I'm using this project to answer. Okay, I have my answer. Let me see the AI steps again. Now, this is not what I was expecting. Watsonx BI use the churn risk column to answer to that question related to risk, but this is not what I'm talking about. So let me return to my data and metrics and take a look again in my metric definition. I open my semantic module, go to my advanced mode, and let's take a look if I have any column that can answer me about deal risk. No, I don't. So I will create a new calculation. So the first thing, I need to give a name to this calculation. I will call it deal risk. And now I will start the calculation. So case, when I will use product type, so I will create a calculation that when the product type is mortgage or loan and the value, the sales amount is higher than 1 million, I will classify that as high risk. Now, if the product type is insurance or credit card and the value of this deal is higher than $500,000, I'll classify that as moderate. Or if it's lower risk deal. Let me validate. Okay, so let me preview the result. All good. So I will click in OK. And now I will also add some description to help watsonx BI to know when use this calculation to answer to a question. And now I will save and export this metric definition. When I export, a new enrichment begins. I will just need to wait. It's ready, and now I will test again in my conversation. I will return to my conversation and I will ask again about risk. How many deals we have classified as a high risk? And I hope that now watsonx BI will use my new calculation. Here's my answer. It's different from the previous answer. You can see. Let's check the show AI steps. It's using my metric definition and now it's using my deal risk calculation. So you can see that you can anytime update your metric definition to satisfy a new business needs if you want. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.